Welcome to this walkthrough session on APFC EO exam starting on 10th of August. To access this course, visit prepleap.in. Once you are on this website, you will see this page coming. Here, click anywhere on this yellow banner and you will be taken to the course page. On this course page, you can see what course offers. It offers more than 200 hours of intense classroom learning, daily quizzes for pre and post assessment. More than 5,000 quality MCQs will be there, and 6 full length mock tests will be included in this course. The whole 70-day study plan is available on the course page. You can go through it. And to start your journey, this is also shows the course contents. What is there? Introduction, this is available to everybody. Then there is other aspects like what will be on day one. Day one will be covering preamble, part one and part two of the Indian Constitution. On day two, we will be covering fundamental rights. On day three, we will be covering directive principle of state policy and fundamental duties. Day four, we will be covering union executive like president, vice president, prime minister, council of ministers, and attorney general. Day five, we will be covering everything related to the parliament. So the course contents are available on the website. So now the question arises how to enroll on this. So just click on this price tag here and you are taken on the payment page. The original price for this course was 20,000, but it has been given at is being given away at 5,000 rupees, or I would say 4,999 as an introductory offer. So you just enter your email address and your phone number, and then you click on pay and you can make the payment. Once you've made the payment and you are enrolled into the course, you can log into your account, and once you're logged in, this is what will be visible. In this case, you can see there's a test user who is logged in. So he has one course and he has spent 17 hours already. So then here, when you scroll down, you can see your course is available and you click on this course. So once you click on this course, you end up on the course page. So here you can continue course. Continue course would take you from where you left last. And to understand course contents, let's go down and see what is available. So here you can see on day one, which was taking care of preamble, part one and part two of the Indian Constitution. So there's a pre-assessment available, and then there are video sessions available, and then there's a post session available. So in the pre-session assessment, if we click, and it is desirable that you take the pre-session assessment before you start with these sessions. So in this case, you can see the test user has already taken some assessment and he has attempted it twice. So this is how it comes up. The final result, it shows the question and the options and whether he chose it correct, and the feedback that why a given answer was taken as the correct answer, and then which article empowers parliament to form a new state by separation of territory from any other state, and this is also has been answered correctly, and even then the feedback has been provided. So on, you can see these questions are available. This is the final outcome that comes out. So if we go back on the previous page again, and we would see then there were some sessions available as well. So these sessions which are available, like let's open this one of the sessions, day one session, what it's all about. So it offers a video course that is there, and let's see how the video course is.
Constitution had a socialist content in the form of certain directive principles of state policy, which we will be studying in future. But this implicit has now been made explicit. The Indian brand of socialism is a different brand. It is not the same as communist socialism. It is more.
So that was how our faculty is taking up the classes. So they are going to be a PPT format, and then they'll be explaining over that, making some jotting down some important points on the sides and explaining you in detail. So every aspect will be covered in detail. As you can see, preamble, part one and part two of the Constitution has been dealt over 1 hour of detailed session that has happened. And post this session, there will be another post session assessment, which will help you understand how much you have learned, and this will also go down well to explain you what kind of questions that have come in the past and what are the expected questions in the future. So we are trying to cater to both of them in this. So these tests are very important, the assessments are very important. And we would see that, you can also see what is gonna coming on day 2 and day 3 and day 4 and day 5, and how the schedules are planned. So this gives that flexibility to a user, to a student, that he can, view the sessions at any time at his convenience. They can take the pre-session, suppose in the mornings, and have the sessions in the afternoon, and then do the post-session assessment in the evening. So that flexibility is available, which is offered through these recorded videos. These are specially designed and recorded for this course and focus targetedly on the topics which are concerned with the APFC EO exam. You can also see the other facilities available, like this community facilities there, where you can interact with your peers, discuss few topics. To begin with, there'll be a lot of topics which can be discussed. Then there is an inbox facility where you can message to your faculty as well. In this case, your faculty is Mr. Bijesh. Bijesh sir is the faculty, and you can just select his name here at the rate, and he will be up this, and you can write down your message to him and give your feedback or any queries you have that will be addressed as quickly as possible. So this is all about the PrepLeap course. PrepLeap is offering a very good platform for you to explore, and the course is specially designed to ensure that you get the success you deserve. So see you in the classroom.